Hello friends, I am Dr. Deepak Garg. I am Director and Head Orthopedic Surgery at Ahan Healthcare, Rohini, New Delhi. And today we will discuss medial approach to distal humerus. So we use the medial approach to distal humerus for fixation of extra-articular fracture of the distal humerus. We can use it for the release in Golfos elbow, and we can use it for repairing of the ulnar collateral ligament or the structures on the medial side of the elbow. So let's start with the position. We will keep the patient in supine position and we will keep the arm abducted on an arm board. We can use a tourniquet here, and we will make the shoulder in external rotation so that medial side of the elbow will be just in front of us and we will sit in the axilla. So after that we will mark the landmarks. So landmarks are the medial, we will mark the medial condyle and we will mark the medial supracondylar ridge. So then we will mark the skin incision. So our skin incision will start from 5 centimeter above the elbow joint. We will come along the medial supracondylar ridge. We will come to the medial epicondyle, and then we will cross the joint, and just after crossing the joint we will stop. So this is our skin incision. We will take the skin incision. So after the skin incision we can have the various structures. We will have the basilic vein and the posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm. So these structures will come in our approach. We have to identify these structures and we have to preserve these structures, because if we cut the nerve it can lead to the neuroma formation later. So after we preserve the structures, we have the deep fascia. So we will cut the deep fascia in line with the skin incision, and once we cut the deep fascia, let's understand the little bit of the anatomy here. So we can see from the diagram here, anteriorly we have the biceps muscle, and behind the biceps muscle we have the brachialis muscle. In between there is a nerve and a vessel, and then this is a medial intermuscular septum, and behind in the medial intermuscular septum we can see again there is a nerve and a vessel, and behind that is this bulk of the muscle is a triceps muscle. So the structure between behind the biceps is and the brachialis is a median nerve and the brachial artery. So these are anterior to the brachialis muscle, and these structures will not come in our way, so we will not mind about these structures. But the structures in the intermuscular septum between the brachialis and the triceps muscle is a ulnar nerve and the ulnar collateral artery. These are the structures that will come in our approach. We have to separate and we will have to preserve these structures. And this structure, white structure, we can see is a medial condyle. So this was the anatomy. Let's go back to the approach. So now we know that we have to preserve the ulnar nerve, and the ulnar nerve will come in our way between the brachialis muscle and the pronator teres. It will pass behind the epicondyle, medial epicondyle. So we will pass our finger behind the medial epicondyle in the groove. We will try to palpate for the ulnar nerve, and once with the palpation we are confirmed that this is ulnar nerve, we will start releasing the fascia over the ulnar nerve, and this way we will move from distal to proximal and we will separate the ulnar nerve and preserve the ulnar nerve. And once we preserve the ulnar nerve, then we will release the medial intermuscular septum, so that will make space for us for the approach. And we can see this tendon is a tendon of pronator teres. This is lying just above the joint or above the capsule. If required, we can cut this tendon. We release the origin of the pronator teres. This will expose the capsule, and if we need to go into the joint, we can release the capsule and we can go into the joint. So this was about our approach. Here we can release the periosteum, and this is our working space. So this was about the approach. So if you want more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.